How to hide your Threads activity from Instagram followers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Threads on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the two lines at the top right, which will open this page. Here, click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, click on Private Profile at the top. Make sure your account is private. Make sure the circle is on the right side. That means your profile is private. And go back. In here you'll find Suggesting Post on Other Apps. Click on it. And make sure Instagram is turned off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to hide your Threads activity from Instagram followers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.